We are going to make a healthy peanut butter mug cake today. So let's get started. Into a mug, we'll add half cup whole wheat flour, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 3 tablespoon honey, half teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoon unsweetened peanut butter, 1/3 cup milk, and we'll give it a good mix till everything is well combined. Now we'll top it up with some lightly roasted peanuts. We'll put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and the PB mug cake is ready to enjoy. Let me know how do you like this recipe. Subscribe to Tabutinkufoodies and I'll see you next time.